Wren commanded, and he set about dividing the birds. Some were to live on land, some on water. Some were to nest beneath bushes, others to build atop cliffs. Snow goose traveled north while penguin flew far south. Kiwi and kookaburra were sent one way, toucan and hummingbird another. A few birds, like sparrow, flitted everywhere. Wren did not disturb old Mother Owl, for she was napping. So the owl still dozes while other birds sing, and is awake while other birds sleep. Don't you just love Mother Owl? In time when the oceans spilled over and salty water and stars crowded the night skies, peace reigned in the kingdom of birds. Wren never put on a top knot for a crown or wore a robe of bright feathers. He proudly kept his signed brown jacket. Never again did he venture up very high, preferring to nest near the ground. Yet, to this day, Wren carries his tail pointing straight to the sky, so that none will forget how he flew to the sun and why he is called King of the Birds. Interesting. How the birds chose a king is one of the world's oldest legends. Some say that Aesop was the first to tell it. Although the story varies from country to country, it is known almost everywhere in Europe. A similar tale is told by the Chippewa Indians of North America.